Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm going to share my favorite cup of tea, that's Irani chai. This is not the dum style Irani chai, but it's just the regular one which is prepared across Mumbai restaurants. Before going further, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share, like and comment. To make around 8 cups of tea, here I have some strong tea leaves. It's around 6 teaspoons, and I have sugar out here which is 8 teaspoons. So I'm going to make small cup size, so 1 teaspoon each. You can use sugar as required or according to your diet. So let's get started. Okay, to make the tea, I'm going to add water. So here I'm adding around 250 ml of water, and now we'll let the water boil nicely, and we'll be needing milk, of course, for the tea. So I have kept here around 1 liter of milk for boiling. I'm going to use around half a liter of milk. This is low fat milk, so I have kept this on very low flame. As you can see, boil the milk till it gets around 800 ml. Alright, our water has started to boil. So into this I'm going to add the tea and the sugar. Just mix it. And now I'll allow this to boil for around 10 minutes at least on high flame. I've taken a large pot, as you can see, because if you take a smaller pot, chances are that your tea will spill out while boiling. You need to boil the tea very nicely. So take a large pot, and side by side, as you can see, our milk is also boiling. So boil the milk and the tea together for 10 minutes. You'll see that the tea leaves will come and stick to the wall, so just go ahead and mix it nicely. Look how beautiful color we are getting. I'll give you the link of this tea powder in the description box below. If you want to buy it online, you can buy it. Alright, the tea has been boiling since last 10 minutes, so now I'm going to lower the flame, and also the milk is boiling. So now what we'll do is we'll mix them both together. Here we go. Till you get the desired color, you can just mix it. I like my tea strong, so here you go. Now when you will boil this, the color will become more strong. Just go on mixing it. Mix it for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame, and your tea is ready. Two rules to make this tea. First, your milk should be boiling, not raw. Second, your tea should also be prepared perfectly. It should not be raw. And then mix them both and cook it very nicely, boil it very nicely, and you're going to get the perfect blend of Irani chai. So this is the way in Mumbai in all the restaurants tea is prepared, and I'm sure many of you prepare the same way at your home also. So this is done. Now I'm going to just serve this piping hot tea. As you can see, the flame is on high. So our tea is all done. Our chai is all done, and I hope you like this video. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.